for the project, uh, we need to basically edit our source code and then just log in into our virtual machine and do a pull using Git of the source code. So let's say, for instance, this is our website and we want to add Robotics Academy project right here. So what I would do is you would open your editor and then we'll go here to the home page. And then here we have like this, Robotics Academy project will develop such and such. So we're gonna using Git, we're going to basically say change wording and we're going to do commit and push. So before doing the push to the website, I want you to take a look at the actual repository in GitHub. So if we come here to resources, my views, let me go to my pages. I want to open home. If we come here, we see Robotics Academy will developed. So once I do a push, it would ask me for my password. It's basically doing a push right now. You see it did a merge, pushing, so everything should be yes. Perfect. So now my source code, the changes to my source code are in my repository. So if I refresh the page, you will see that now it says Robotics Academy project. So now all my changes are in GitHub. So the next step will be to log in into my virtual machine. I would use an SSH with my username under Robotics Academy at FIU. Then it would ask me for my password. I have it stored right here. One sec. Okay. So now I'm in the virtual machine. Basically, the way the virtual machine works is using Apache as the web server and PHP as the backend language. So and the Apache is configured to use a virtual host, and the source code of my project is stored in the virtual machine at the location of var 3w virtual hosts Robotics Academy data. And if I do an SL, here I will see my project. Now, if I go here, since I haven't pulled the changes into the virtual machine, I cannot see the live changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a git pull. I'm going to do the git pull. It's going to ask me for my username, my password. Perfect. It did the pull from GitHub, and also just in case I need to. Basically, what happened here is that since I'm logged in as Apere932, all the new files that are downloaded from Git are going to be created with the owner being myself. So what I need to do here is to make sure to change the ownership of all the new files downloaded from the source code to 3w hyphen data, which is the Apache user to execute all the PHP scripts. I changed the ownership and now I'm ready to see my changes. So if I refresh, now as you can see I have Robotics Academy project.